just like what we did for the first part of the heel. The only difference is you're doing it all the way around the loom. Quick little refresher, it's just 3 steps. You E-wrap 2, E-wrap 2 and knit off. That's step 1. Step 2, take the stitch off the second peg, put on the first and knit off. Step 3, fill in the empty spot. Show you again. E-wrap 2, knit off, stitch from the second peg, which is actually the stitch the working yarn is coming from, goes back to that first peg and you knit off. And see, now you got the working yarn here and you move over. Do that all the way around. Okay, at the last 2 stitches, so you E-wrap them both. Move the one back, knit off, and then you want to cut your yarn. With enough to weave in. Just take the tail. You either pull it up through the loop on the peg or down through. Just lock it in so you can get it off the loom. And I weave it in. I weave this tail into this stitch right here. Take the crochet hook and I weave the tail through this stitch right here, and that evens everything up right there. The only other end you had to weave in is the one from your beginning. So here you guys go. Not completely finished up, and this one hasn't been stretched out or anything yet. But here we go, your yoga socks. Here's the back, and here's the front. This one has already been washed, so it lays nice and flat the way you want it to. This one has not been washed yet, so it's all curling up and everything. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this pattern. Direct link for the PDF is in the video description below. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. All the information for the PDF, the loom, the yarn, individual clips for specific parts of the video, all of that is in the video description below as well. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure your notifications are turned on so when I put out a new video, you will receive an email. Thank you.